Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm out here tent camping this weekend. Having a great time so far. Good times. Cheers. We've been making something a little different. I've been making a peanut butter bacon cheese or bacon burger. I forgot the cheese. I know I'm dumb. And a cast iron skillet, the one that I found in that fire pit when I was cleaning up. So I seasoned it a couple times in the oven. It took a little while because I didn't want to run the oven for just that one little pan. So, you know, every time I baked something, I would throw it in while the oven was cold. You know, bring up temperature, let it season, and then I'd probably let it run maybe an extra half hour afterwards. And then I would just turn the oven off and let it cool down just naturally. We're gonna get cooking. I know it sounds weird. I first thought that too. I was like, wow, that sounds really bizarre. But then I ate one. I'm like, that's actually really good. So I think it's acquired taste, but I like it. So let's get the bacon on. Alrighty, I've got my fire prepped. I have lichen. 2 different twig piles. I've even got wood ready for tomorrow. Right over here I got more lichen, more twigs. So I'm good to go. I'm gonna get this fire going so I can start cooking dinner. Come on if you're getting hungry. See if this lichen goes up. It should go up like gasoline. Sweet. Nice. Didn't have to use my fire kit either, which means I have it for another day. Yeah, I really want to keep that fire down. I mean, I want to build up coals, but I don't want to get too hot as I add more fuel. Ooh. Alright, fire. I might actually hold off. Cool. I'll let that burn down a little bit and I'll bring it back. Bacon is crisping up. A little bacon grease in there to cook my burger. Sweet. Wow, that wind is really picking up. Yeah, he's really gonna do it. Both sides. Yeah. I know where to put it. Sit right there. There goes the top. Alrighty. Gotta play record tag with the, or gotta play tag with the record button because it keeps shutting off. So here we go, peanut butter burger. There's no cheese because I forgot the cheese because I'm a moron. I'm dripping all over the place. So I'm working on number 2 right now. All I'm really, this bacon is pre-cooked. I'm just crisping it up and heating it up. Let me get my patty out again. I don't think I showed this the first time, but all I did is I just went to the store and I bought a pound of ground beef, seasoned it, put it in the wax paper, formed the patties, and then one more, because I was going to do one for lunch, but I ended up stopping to I just grabbed a bite on my way, so it kind of worked out because I didn't have to make a fire or anything. Maybe I'll eat it tomorrow before I leave, who knows. Here we go. I gotta say, pretty good burger. With the bacon. Cheese would have been nice, but it still tastes good. Yeah, ravens crawling around me. I'm really glad I cooked it here, but I'm gonna be sleeping about 80 yards away. I drip basically everywhere. Well, I'm probably going to show you how I clean out the pan, so this won't be totally goodbye. But I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to show you a trick that I saw on Facebook. It was by Alton Brown. How to clean out your cast iron is get some kosher salt. I got more than enough. And pour the salt in your pan. And then take a paper towel. I got these shop paper towels because they're hardier. And they don't rip as easy. Let's take a couple of these. See if this works. Well, the Yuko spork didn't come as clean, but I can live with that. Just take your paper towel, and the abrasiveness of the salt will pick up will scrape up all the junk in the pan. See, the paper towel is not ripping up as much as like a white, like a brawny or something like that. I probably should have done this when the pan was warm. It probably would have cleaned up a lot easier. Yeah, it probably had to have been warm. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put it in the fire and I'm going to warm it up. I think all that beef fat. And then try it again here in a minute. Alrighty, round two. What I ended up doing is I put it in the fire to heat it up a little bit, and I used a stick just to scrape all the big chunks off. See if I can get the rest. I'm not really worried about the seasoning because the first thing I'm going to cook tomorrow morning is, well, more bacon. Seriously? Yeah, it looks pretty good. Not bad for some salt and a blue paper towel. It's not perfect, but it'll cook bacon tomorrow morning. Sweet. Nice. Ugh.